Currently looking up the VIN number. So it turns out the back tires are locked up.
Dad, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm going to try to get this brake drum off. That's the plan here. Get the brake drum off. Close to the brake pads. I'll get it off. I'm going to tear it up and off. So I'm trying to move it. It ain't going to move.
It's almost off. It says it's almost off. Hey.
Nuts on there. If it's in neutral, I should roll up in there. You know what I'd like to have? Something else when you put in the thing, bag of rags or towel towels, whatever. Well, I always see them.
I forgot to put one on. Thought we were missing one, but found it.
Hopefully, like I said, if it's in neutral, you should roll it.
But
They don't have to be on there tight. I I good?
They're just on
Like
there.
it?
Yep.
Want me to go inch it? Ready, set. Can I open this? I'll leave. Can't tell if it's 1 second.
Pretty sure it's either a 400 or 455. That's a big dude.
How do you tell if it's locked?
I have to turn the crankshaft, but all these belts are froze up to the pulleys. So, see, sometimes you can turn on this and it will turn, but with the clutch fan, you can't turn the fan. I'll have to get something down there on that crankshaft and try turning it. Probably pull. He said one of the spark plugs is out. Yeah, one of the spark plugs is out. That's not good. We might do like. That's not me. The throttle's froze up too. Might take Marble mystery oil, dump down in there. Maybe take a bore scope, look down in the cylinder, see how bad it is. But
Do we have a bore scope?
yeah, I have one for my phone.
Poor little winch. Oh, we're so close. Needs to go about another foot, maybe 6 to 8 inches, maybe. It's in. Just great when you can see a seatbelt through the cab. Stout. Do you have the strap?
Yeah, I got it right here. Not like an oil filter.
I don't think so. The bottom of this engine's got a lot of oil on it, though.
Yeah, what are you hooking it to? It's not a steering shaft or nothing, is it? Is it
No.
small? Or is it
No, it's big.
big?
Oh, I can hook it under the. I think that's the steering shaft.
Well, I need something stop.
Yeah.
Can you get the button for the winch?
No. Come on now.
It's out of gas.
Oh.
That's what's wrong with it.
Ain't got no gas in it.
You got no gas. Well, let the winch loose whenever you can.
I got something in my eyeball.
Have you seen that TikTok, Dad? I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas.
He says limited slip something. I can't see what gears it says though. Can you read that?
It's
Lube
upside
only.
down.
Something lube only. Slip. Something. Limited. Use limited slip lube only.
Hey, will you just give me that strap thing?
What strap thing, bud?
You like flicking that thing, don't you?
The wraps around it.
I gave you one. You got it up there.
Oh, goodness. Need help? I'm too dry rotted. That one doesn't look as bad, but still pretty bad. There's a seatbelt hanging out.
How you gonna put that and make it go from one to the other?
I'll figure it out. Actually, I like this idea way better. Alright, Dad.
Yeah.
You're right.
I know.
Actually, no, you aren't.
Okay. Don't tell anybody.
You're on camera.
Well, I'm usually right, so.
With cars.
That winch loose? Can you give me that shackle?
Can you give me the end of that strap? Then pull her tight. Hold her tight.
How far do you need, babe?
You got it? I'm gonna try to come out of here. Ouch, it's in my heat. Don't pull it too tight.
I hope you got that on video.
Okay, Sandy, right there where you're at.
You get out.
Dad's projects.
So what you call it? That's projects. Hey, you can hold this right here.
Hold what? Where?
Shut that off.
Just got the back hooked up. Golly. I don't know if I can get through here.
Alright, how we coming up?
Where's the pin to this black shackle thing? Ouch, dude.
Might throw those tire seats up in the car or something.
You want me to?
Just a second. Will you grab his hat? I'm not gonna throw it.
Just finally got it loaded in. Fully got it strapped down. And I think we're ready to roll.
Alright, we're ready to go.
And there's the top windows. They're dirty, but so is the car. Thought we'd stop, get something to eat, get cleaned up.